So guys, today we are going to be making lemon Parmesan whole air fried chicken. Let's get it. Alright guys, welcome back to 40ish Vibes Eat. So today guys, like I said, we are going to be making lemon Parmesan chicken. So let's get straight into it. So for the ingredients, I have a 5-pound chicken, some olive oil, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, thyme, and lemon pepper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna combine all of my seasonings into this bowl, and I'm gonna add some olive oil also into the bowl. And I'm gonna mix it together, and we're gonna make a coating for the chicken. Alright guys, now that I have that mixed up, I had to go grab my gloves because we are supposed to put this all over the chicken. So as you can see, I'm pouring it all over the chicken. Guys, when I tell you the flavor in this is amazing. Just massage the chicken all over. Oh, and guys, the chicken has already been washed and dried. Remember to wash your chicken. Now that we have the chicken very well coated with the seasoning mixture, we're gonna throw it in the air fryer. The air fryer I have set at 385, and we're gonna put it in for about 30 minutes. Alright guys, now that we have the chicken in the air fryer, like I said, I'm gonna let it go for about 30 minutes. Then after that, I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna flip it over and let it go for another 30 minutes. And then get ready for the sauce that I am about to throw down on this whole chicken. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's been 30 minutes. Change my gloves again. Now let's take this chicken out of the air fryer and see how it looks. Ooh, guys. The chicken is already looking amazing. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it over. Alright guys, so while that's cooking for about another 25-30 minutes, I just want to make a quick suggestion. This recipe, this meal is very quick and very easy to make. The sides that you can have you some roasted potatoes, you can have you some green vegetables like broccoli, green beans, peas if you're into that. Mashed potatoes, or you can just have you a healthy salad, some grilled or roasted asparagus. It's up to you. Anything that you want to add to this recipe, it's going to be phenomenal either way it goes. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the sauce that's going to go on top of this chicken. Remember, it's lemon Parmesan. And guys, it's supposed to be amazing. Okay, guys, so after 25 minutes, the chicken is done. Let me take it out for you. Look at that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out of the pan. Alright guys, so for the last leg of the cook, I let the chicken go for 25 minutes instead of the 30 minutes. Don't want to overcook it. You don't want dry chicken. So let me just ease this out of here. Now guys, be careful, the chicken is hot. Now what I suggest is you use some tongs to pull the chicken out of the air fryer. Okay? So for the sauce, I have a stick of melted butter, and I'm gonna put inside the butter a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese and a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Okay, so after you put the tablespoon of Parmesan cheese and the teaspoon of lemon pepper into the butter mixture, now it's time to pour it all over the chicken. So let's get to that. And guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pour this mixture all over the chicken. Then I'm gonna just baste it. Guys, when I say it is smelling good, it is smelling good. Okay, so the chicken is ready. I'm ready to taste it. I wish you guys could smell that aroma that's coming from this chicken. Okay, so let's cut a piece of the chicken. Let me grab me a fork real quick. Look at that, guys. And it's juicy. Guys, when I tell you that this chicken is flavorful, delicious, and juicy, trust me when I'm telling you some good stuff. Okay? So anyways, I'm just getting ready to dig all off into this chicken. But remember, the recipe, the ingredients, the measurements is all in the description below. And remember to subscribe and like to 40th Vibes Eats. Share this channel. And remember, we're doing some good cooking, good vibing over here.